Up first this evening, a staunch defense from Prime Minister Andrew Holness of his decision to declare a by-election in southeast Clarendon. The Prime Minister has been facing criticisms for the move, particularly from the People's National Party, due to the timing in what is likely to be an election year. The Prime Minister and other members of the JLP addressed the matter in Portmore St. Catherine on Sunday. Here is TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The leadership of the JLP took turns on Sunday defending themselves while attacking the PNP for their respective positions on the by-election in southeast Clarendon. The opposition PNP said it will not contest the by-election, therefore paving the way for Pernell Charles Jr. to replace Rudyard Spencer. The PNP is upset over the timing of the by-election. They reasoned a general election is imminent and therefore it is a waste of tax dollars to hold a by-election now. But the Prime Minister dismissed the PNP's argument about time.
Distraction. You have my assurance, and you know as your leader, that we will do everything in our powers to ensure that democracy is preserved in this country. And I can't tell you when a seat is going to become vacant. That is the prerogative of the holder of the seat. Anything can happen why the holder of a seat may decide that it is now time. And when that decision is made, regardless of when it is made, the government of the day has the duty to ensure that that vacant seat is filled.
JLP Chairman Robert Montague questioned the relevance of the PNP as a political movement if it decides to forego election exercises.
Is it either you put up a candidate or shut your mouth from here on when you hear politics at all? So put up or shut up. It's time we tell the PNP the truth. If you're a political party, come run election. Come nominate a candidate. If you're not a political party, every Sunday, pastor have altar call. Go to the altar and make him pray for you. We are in the business of running election to win election.
The by-election in southeast Clarendon is set for March 2. Nomination day is this Wednesday, February 12. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.